Here, the next topic and very important topic is what is the differences between mass and weight. Differences between mass and weight. Number one, as I said that mass is a property of matter. Mass is the property of matter. More the matter, mass will be the more. If an object contain more matter, has more mass. So mass is the property of matter. The mass of an object is the same everywhere. Okay, mass do not change from place to place. Okay, mass is a constant constant properties. Okay, mass is a constant property. Mass do not change. Now weight depends on the effects of gravity. Weight depends on the effects of gravity. Weight varies according to location. Okay, as we discussed in the previous video that the weight of an object depends on g, okay, the acceleration due to gravity. So if the value of g is greater at one place and value of g is less than one place, then the weight of the same object is more and weight of the same object is less. Why? Because the g value is less. Acceleration due to gravity is different. So weight of an object varies according to the location. Okay, now mass can never be zero. Number two, mass can never be zero, but weight can be zero if g equal to 0. Okay, if some place where the value of g is 0, that is in space, the g equal to 0, value of g equal to 0, so the weight of the object will be 0. Okay, here we have the relation W equal to weight equal to g into mass. If this value is 0, whatever mass it has, multiply 0 multiply by any number, that will be 0. Okay, so mass can never be 0, but weight can be 0. Okay, mass is constant, but weight can varies according to the location. Now, number 3, mass is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity means it has magnitude only. Okay, but weight is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and directions. It has directed towards the center of the earth. Okay, because it is a force and this acceleration due to gravity is towards the center, acts towards the center. Okay, it has directed towards the center of the earth. That's why it is a vector quantity. Okay, mass can be measured by common physical balance. Mass can be measured by common physical balance, and weight is measured by spring balance. Physical balance, that this type of balance we have in market. Okay, in market, that physical balance that we will measure the weight, mass, that 5 kg here 5 kg box, here 5 kg potato, in this the physical balance. So mass can be measured common physical balance, and weight is measured by spring balance. Weight is measured by spring balance, this type, like this is a measurement and one hook is there. Okay, you will see here 1 2 3 measurement are given and hook it there. Okay, this type of balance. Okay, so by using common physical balance, we will measure mass, and by using spring balance we measure weight. Mass usually is measured in gram or kg. Okay, unit of mass is gram, unit of mass is kg. This is gram, CGS unit, kg is a SI unit. Weight often is measured in Newton. Okay, the SI unit of weight is Newton, denoted as N, a unit of force. Okay, Newton is also a unit of force. So we can say that force is equivalent to the weight. Okay, force is equivalent to the weight. Understand? Now here one question is given. The mass of an object is 2.2 kg. Okay, for example, this is an object. Mass is given 2.2 kg. Find its weight. Find its weight. Okay, we have the relation that 1 kg equal to 9.8 Newton. 1 kg equal to 9.8 Newton. Kg is the unit of mass and Newton is the unit of weight. Okay, we have the relation. Now this object, how much mass? 2.2 kg. Now weight of an object of mass 2.2 kg equal to, that is 2.2 into 9.8. just multiply. 1 kg equal to 9.8 Newton, then 2.2 kg equal to 2.2 into 9.8 Newton. Okay, so the answer will be 21.56 Newton. Okay, so an object having mass 2.2 kg has weight 21.56 Newton. Okay, did you understand? Hope you like the video and hope you understand the topic. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.